We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up ELY. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on the monthly time frame price action. Last candle toward the right hand side is a bearish candle. So price is trying to work its way down from an area. So let's look at the market as an overall. So price action, higher highs that overall market. Price action, lower lows. Midpoint in the middle. Second level highs. Let's look over the price. So where's price? Price is above second level highs and below highest high area. Let's zoom into price to see what's going on so we can mark this up. So working our way backwards towards that area of support where it's coming from, where it came from. There's a pattern that entered a pattern that stopped at the midpoint. So let's draw it out. So we have a double bottom here. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So you think about this as being one single leg, that one single area instead of this double bottom. Structure form inside here. This will be the left shoulder. We do have the head. This is the right shoulder. So this is the inverted head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. But in this case, this is the inverted head and shoulder pattern, but it's a double left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Most of the time, it's just be one area here. So we see that inverted head and shoulders pattern that pushed up to an area of a high. We see the same structure again for the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we got the left shoulder, we got the head. Market spiked up for that third leg, which is that third shoulder. Market pushed down once. Market pushed down once, could be pushed down again to make it down to that midpoint area here. We're gonna have to zoom into price action to see what's going on. On the monthly time frame, the bearish candle, we do want the bearish candle, that market will still be moving down, to engulf the second last candle doji to push that market down, or we'll be looking for a bullish candle, which is green, to engulf the second last candle, which is a doji, to push that market up to area. Head down to the weekly time frame to see what's going on in the market. So price action is coming from double top and multiple retests in that area, maybe in that push down. So price action, last candle in the market is a doji. So we did receive that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market push down for that fourth. This is the retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4, and here go the push. Okay, so we got a double top, a retest, and market push down once. Let's take a look at what's going on at price. Price action in the market is a doji, so we can see that consolidation. So we will want to see a bearish candle is going to push that market down for the second push to engulf the second, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth to last candle in the market, which is this doji here. So you want price to close out below this area here to push that market down further. They had to close down below between that doji and the price action doji, which is this long wick. Eventually, definitely, with the price action candle, the price is going to go up. You're going to look for the engulfing candle to the upside, at least to the third to last candle that can push that market up. And we will look for some candles or bodies to clear out these wicks. So let's just look for the structure that's in that area, so we can see that area is in a consolidation with a bit of a push. So let's read the market from that double top, multiple retests, and that one push down to the bottom. So what happened with that one push? The market broke, came back to retest once, pushed back down, came back to retest twice, and that's the push. So market is identifying a double top and a push. So market's coming from that double top, and if it's going to push up, and let's say price is just dipping down low to respect that area just a little bit. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, market push down for the retest, so it went drop down further to another level, and we can see that market come up out of there. So it'll be coming from a triple bottom in that area. Headed down to the daily time frame, let's see what's going on. Okay, so price action, we can clearly see it's coming from these multiple pushes to that top of that area. So we received that first leg, second leg, third leg. Looking at it overall as well, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market push down. So market's coming from a triple top, 1, 2, 3, triple top, a retest, and the market can sell down. So if market drops from this area here, so we get an engulfing pattern, a bearish engulfing pattern is going to engulf that third to last candle, or a pattern that's in that area, that market can push down to previous levels of lows. And if it breaks out of this, we look for the break and retest. Triple top, retest, market push down once. Once it breaks this level here, it'll be breaking push down twice. So it'll be looking the second push. If price action looking to respect this midpoint area that is in of that consolidation, we'll be seeing that first leg, second leg, third leg, market pushes up for that fourth retest right now, the market pushes up. But overall, it is a triple bottom. We add this area here. So altogether, 1, 2, 3. 3 push down to the bottom, retest. The market can push back out of here, back up to the area, create that formation of that triple bottom. If it comes back up, once we get that break and retest, market's working its way up to new levels of highs. So once we walk down the time frame, guys, it's probably just going to consolidate. Price action, second last candle, third last candle is in a range, very, very tight. Let's see what we see as we walk down further. So we can see that consolidation. So we got first leg, second leg, third leg. Market pushes down. So we're looking for market to come from a double top. If it pushes up in respect to that W, it's overall first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushes up once, retest, and market comes back up. So market be coming from a double bottom of that area of price. Headed down to 3-hour time frame. Side by side, I mean, it's a doji bullish. It's trying to push up. If we get a second candle that's engulfed, if we get a price action candle that's going to engulf a second last candle that can push that market up. May take a few levels depending on what the size of the candle is. But so far, market's still in a consolidation on a 3-hour time frame. Headed down to the 2 hours, still identifying the same thing. Headed down to the 1, identifying the same thing. Headed down to the 45, identifying the same thing. Headed down to the 30, identifying the same thing. Same last candle in the market, that inverted bullish. Now we got a little bit of different candle of a retest. So market spiked that area down to a low, pushed up. Price action currently is a retest candle that can push up to engulfing if we see the bullish candle push out this area here. If not, it'll be rejected from a first leg, second leg, third leg, and market can push down for that fourth at the area here. That's the retest. Market comes down. So market will be coming from a double top of that area. Headed down to the 5. We got a retest, so market is showing that it's trying to work its way down. If it respects this area here, is the first, second, third, market will push up for the fourth. It'll take a price action candle to engulf these areas here to push that market up for that W formation. If not, market's coming down for that break retest. We look for a trade. Market pushes down, came back for a second retest, and we look for a engulfing pattern to engulf the bottom side here to push that market down. Headed down to the 3, and we have side by side. So consolidation, and headed down to the 1. The price action candle did not break the previous candle yet. It did break it, the second last candle, but it didn't close out yet. But price action is a long wick down to the bottom. Could be an area of support, so could be respected. So if it is, you'll be seeing that first, second, third, fourth retest, and market comes up out of here because that price action is a support. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. ELY stock.